Hello students, let's start the theorem of chapter 10. The first theorem is that tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Now you people are familiar with the tangent. Tangent means a line which touch circle at only one point, Now I am having a circle with center O with any radius, and there is a tangent xy. Now see, xy tangent touches circle at one point only, and I am taking at that point is P. Now what is P? P is the point of contact. Now we have to prove a radius. So when we join O to P, now what is O to P? That this is O. O to P is known as radius. So we have to prove radius through the point of contact is perpendicular. So you have to prove this is a perpendicular. Perpendicular means you have to prove this one is 90 degree. Angle OPX is equal to 90 degree. Now what is given? A circle with center O and tangent xy to the circle at a point P. To prove, what we need to prove? OP means radius is perpendicular to tangent means to xy. For proving this we need construction. You can take any point except P on xy line. So take a point Q on xy other than P, not on P, other than P, and join that. Join O with Q. Now let us take a point Q other than P and join it. Now start the proof. Now see, when we join OQ line passes from the circle from point R. We can see what is OQ. OQ is OR plus RQ. R is a point lie on the circle and O is a center. It means OP and OR both are radius. So we can say OR is equal to radius. R means radius. OP, OR both are radius. Both are radius. Why? Because both P and R lie on the circle. So we can say OQ is greater than radius. Radius means we can say OP. OQ is greater than OP, and it always happen whenever you can take any point. It means all the distances rather than P, all the distances are greater as compared to OP. So you have to write, since it happen for every point on the line xy except P only. So what is OP? OP is the shortest distance. Rest of the distances are more. ये सबसे छोटी डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम सेंटर. सेंटर मीन्स फ्रॉम O. तो जब भी कोई सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बनती है, दैट डिस्टेंस फॉर्म अ एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री. इट मीन्स व्हाट इज OP? शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस. वी नो कि जो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस है इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर. तो अगर OP शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस है तो दिस इम्प्लाइज OP इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन XY. तो दैट सेम यू हैव टू प्रूव कि जो OP है वो XY पे परपेंडिकुलर है. तो अब ये थ्योरम आपने यूज़ करनी है क्वेश्चंस में कि जब भी आप कोई रेडियस ड्रॉ करते हो, अगर वो पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट को टच करता है टेंजेंट के, तो वहाँ पे एंगल जो बनता है दैट एंगल इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर एंगल, मीन्स दैट एंगल इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. होप द कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर. प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब and share my video and press on bell icon so you are able to get the notifications. Thanks a lot.